Welcome to today's episode of Buffy's Flavorful Journey, the podcast where we dive deep into the challenges and triumphs within the vibrant community of women over 50. Today we're unraveling the complex tapestry of office politics, from the subtle power dynamics that influence decision-making to the overt actions that can lead to stress and anxiety. Let's explore how these elements impact our work environment and what we can do to navigate them with grace and wisdom. Whether you're deep in the trenches of corporate culture or observing from the sidelines, this episode is crafted to empower you with insights and strategies for thriving in the midst of office politics. So if you ever found yourself puzzled by the unspoken rules of the workplace or seeking a way to rise above the fray, while maintaining your integrity and advancing your career, then you're in the right place. And we want to hear from you. Share your stories, questions, or tips on how you've navigated office politics. So please reach out to us on social media or leave a comment wherever you listen to our podcast. Let's support each other in turning workplace challenges into opportunities for growth. Now, office politics, while sometimes seen as a necessary aspect of workplace dynamics, can have several detrimental effects on employees and the organizational climate as a whole. Here are some ways in which office politics can negatively impact employees, followed by examples of each one. Number 1, stress and anxiety. Navigating the complexities and subtleties of office politics can lead to increased levels of stress and anxiety among employees. The constant need to be vigilant about interpersonal relationships and power dynamics can be exhausting and distracting. For example, Jessica finds herself constantly worrying about the alliances and rivalries within her team. She feels she must carefully navigate these relationships to avoid conflict, leading to increased stress and anxiety about coming to work each day. Jessica could benefit from stress management techniques such as mindfulness meditation or deep breathing exercises to help her stay calm and focused. Additionally, seeking mentorship or advice from a trusted colleague or supervisor on how to navigate these relationships effectively can provide her with new strategies and perspectives. 2. Reduced job satisfaction. Employees who feel that they have to engage in office politics to succeed or survive in the workplace may experience lower job satisfaction. The focus shifts from job performance and personal achievement to strategizing and politicking, which can be less fulfilling. For example, Maria used to love her job because she could focus on her passion for design. However, as office politics intensified, she found herself spending more time managing relationships than doing actual design work, significantly reducing her job satisfaction. Maria could focus on finding fulfillment in aspects of her job that she can control, such as her own projects or tasks. She also might consider speaking with her manager about her concerns, expressing her desire to spend more time on creative work rather than political maneuvering. 3. Decreased productivity. Office politics can divert attention from the actual work that needs to be done. Employees may spend more time and energy on political maneuvering rather than focusing on their task, leading to decreased productivity and efficiency. Alex and her team were close to missing a crucial deadline because meetings often devolved into power struggles between departments, wasting valuable time that could have been spent on project development. Alex can propose regular team-building activities or workshops on effective communication to help improve team dynamics. By establishing clear goals and roles for each team member, this might also help focus everyone's efforts on the project rather than on internal conflicts. 4. Impaired team dynamics. Politics can create divisions and factions within teams, impairing collaboration and cooperation. When team members are pitted against each other for political reasons, it can harm the overall team dynamic and hinder the achievement of common goals. For example, a project team became divided after a manager openly favored one subgroup's ideas over another's without any clear reason, leading to resentment and a lack of cooperation among team members. The team can benefit from open and facilitated discussions about their issues to help solve this, possibly with the help of a neutral mediator. By setting aside time for team members to voice their concerns and expectations in a constructive manner, this can help rebuild trust and cooperation. 5. Talent drain. Highly skilled employees who are less inclined to engage in political games may choose to leave the organization in search of a healthier work environment. This talent drain can deprive the organization of valuable skills and knowledge. Seeking no path to advancement without engaging in political maneuvering, a highly talented engineer, Sarah for example, decides to leave the company for a startup where merit and performance are more valued. Before deciding to leave, Sarah could explore internal transfers to different departments where the culture might be more aligned with her values. But if leaving is the best option, networking and seeking opportunities in organizations known for their positive culture could be beneficial. 6. Erosion of trust. Office politics can lead to an erosion of trust among colleagues. When employees suspect that decisions are being made for political rather than merit-based reasons, it can undermine trust in both peers and leadership. An example: when employees notice that promotions seem to align more with who are close to management rather than who have the best performance reviews, this can lead to a significant erosion of trust in leadership decisions. Employees could request more transparency from management regarding decision-making processes and promotions to help counter this. And by organizing a feedback session where employees can voice their concerns and suggestions directly to management, that might help restore some trust. 7. Conflict and hostility. Political environments can breed conflict and hostility as individuals or groups vie for power, resources, or recognition. This can create a toxic work environment that is uncomfortable and unwelcoming for employees. An example: an office rumor about impending layoffs can lead to widespread paranoia and hostility among employees, as people start pointing fingers and blaming each other for the company's perceived failures. By encouraging open communication and fact-checking before spreading information, that can help mitigate the spread of rumors. And management should address the workplace directly to clarify any uncertainties and to reduce paranoia. 8. Inequity and favoritism. Office politics often leads to situations where promotions, opportunities, and rewards are distributed based on favoritism or alliances rather than merit or competence. This perceived inequity can demotivate employees and lead to feelings of resentment. An example: despite consistently receiving high performance ratings, Jenny watched as less experienced colleagues who were personally close to the manager receive promotions over her, highlighting clear favoritism. Now, Jenny could seek feedback on how to improve her visibility and contributions in the workplace, and thus, by engaging in professional development opportunities and networking within the organization, this might also help her increase her chances of recognition and promotion. But more than likely, she'll just leave. 9. Communication breakdowns. Political environments can disrupt open and honest communication. Employees may be less likely to share ideas, concerns, or feedback for fear of political repercussions, leading to missed opportunities for improvement or innovation. Example: fearing retribution from a politically powerful supervisor, team members can become reluctant to report critical feedback about a failing project, leading to missed opportunities to correct course. By implementing regular check-ins where team members can share updates and concerns in a safe space, that might encourage more open communication. And by adopting anonymous feedback tools, they can help surface issues that employees might be hesitant to share openly. And 10. Damaged corporate culture. Over time, pervasive office politics can fundamentally damage the corporate culture, creating an environment where cynicism, paranoia, and self-interest prevail over collaboration, integrity, and collective achievement. An example: over time, the constant undercurrent of office politics led to a culture where cynicism and self-preservation were the norms, and this drove away employee after employee after employee, and these were the ones who valued collaboration and transparency. Now, leadership should have initiated culture change programs which focused on values such as integrity, transparency, and collaboration. They also should have conducted workshops on ethical leadership and promoting team members who exemplify these values, and that could gradually have helped shift the culture. To mitigate the negative effects of office politics, organizations can focus on building a transparent, inclusive, and merit-based culture where employees feel valued and engaged, and where politics are minimized in favor of open communication and fair practices. And the examples discussed above reflect the broad and multifaceted impact that office politics can have on individuals and organizations, and it highlighted the importance of fostering that positive and inclusive workplace culture. For each individual facing challenges due to office politics, the key lies in proactive communication, seeking support, and focusing on personal growth and development. By adopting such strategies, they can navigate through the complexities of office politics more effectively. So as we wrap up today's journey through the maze of office politics, remember that your experiences and how you navigate these waters can serve as a beacon for others. The wisdom you've gained over the years is invaluable, not just for surviving, but for thriving in any work environment. Office politics may be a reality of the workplace, but they don't have to define your experience or limit your success. Thank you for tuning into Buffy's Flavorful Journey. If today's episode sparked a new insight or inspired a strategy you'd like to share, don't keep it to yourself. Join our community on social media and let's continue the conversation. Share this episode with a friend or colleague who could use a dose of wisdom. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast as well as to our YouTube channel for more episodes and videos that empower and enlighten women. Together, we can navigate the complexities of the workplace with confidence and poise. So until next time, keep shining, keep striving, and turn those office politics into a stepping stone for your success. See you in the next video and/or podcast. Bye for now.